good morning there. We're going to make a trail mix for Halloween or Thanksgiving, and I'm making it to go to my aunt's place where she lives in the senior center. And every year I make up 50 bags and take it. So you want to start with clean hands. And what I did, this is all Dollar Tree, except for my bowl. I went to Dollar Tree and I got these little Ziploc bags right here. Then I got some Harvest Mix candy. I got some Party Mix. And I got some Bugles. And I thought this solar light was cute, so I picked that up for my aunt, and she can hang this in her room. We'll just set it right there for now. I thought it was cute. So anyways, what we're gonna do is put everything in, we're gonna mix it. Now, these folks don't get much, so they really think this is a special treat. So I'm just gonna do up a small batch to show you. This here is a party mix. That's what the party mix looks like inside, just like that. Looks just like the bag right here. And believe it or not, they look forward to this. This is Bugles. And I just put a few Bugles in. Hope I got enough muscles to open this. I haven't been very strong lately. And then I'll just put this in. So you got sweet and you got sugar and salty and all that goodness. Shake, shake, rattle, and roll, as I always say. And see what a beautiful mix that makes. Just like that. Then what I do, again, you should start with clean hands. I take these bags, open them up, put a handful in, just like this. Make sure they get a little bit of everything. You gotta make sure they get some candy. They like their candy. Well, who doesn't like their candy? Just like that. Some more candy going in. Also put it off to the side like this. That might even be better. That way they get a few pieces more candy. I know what they're getting. And trust me, I have people that count how many pieces of candy they get. Just like that. And that makes a wonderful little treat bag, and they really enjoy it a lot. We just gotta burp the bag here. It's like burping a baby, gotta burp the bag. And then we'll decorate a basket and take it to her. And look, just like that. A nice little snack. I'll make another one. And these folks really enjoy it. You know, it's nice giving back sometimes. I'm a giver. I like to give. And we just fill it just like this. They really enjoy all these little snacks and treats. And my aunt gets a real big thrill out of doing this as well. Then we put some candy in each one. I should have been counting the pieces, but I haven't because I got some in here as well. Just like this. And like I said, they really, really enjoy this. There, put one of these nice big ones in. Just like that. So it's very simple. They really, really enjoy it. And here's two nice little bags of snacks. And what this cost me? These were $1, so $2. I need 50 of them. Only 40 comes in a package. $2. One more would be $3, $4, $5. Say $5. I bought a little extra, but $5 to make somebody happy. What can you say? So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize I'm getting traffic on my channel. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for all the new subs, and thanks that follow. Have a great day. God bless.